advice about making money online that is easy to understand. The popularity of online work is growing. Many possibilities exist for making online income. Popular ones include starting your own business and completing surveys for pay. Keep watching for some great advice on how to start today. Look out for scams. While you'll find a lot of opportunities out there for making money online, some opportunities aren't that great. Before going down a road you are uncomfortable with, make sure to do your research. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. There is a growing industry of tutoring other people. Therefore, if you want to be able to work online from home, then consider e-teaching as a viable option. If you have experience and education in a certain niche, you might be able to tutor for websites such as Tutor Vista or Smart Thinking. If you enjoy it, you may find other avenues for this choice. Use Google to search for online money-making opportunities. Your search should yield many results. When you see something you think you would like to do, check into it further. See to it that you are cautious when dealing the company that you choose. Learning to make money online can take a lot of time. Try looking for a mentor to help boost your knowledge the quickest way possible. Keep your learning flowing and look to new opportunities at all times. Keep your eyes open for new opportunities, as these are emerging daily. In this way, you will be an online money-making success. How can you make money online? This piece has offered useful information that can get you going online right away. This can help you get additional income, or make enough to support your family. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.